Assalamualaikum students. I wish you all are fine. I'm your teacher Sadia. Today the subject that we are going to study that is English and the topic is kin reading. I have given you the reading of book 1 Ben and Lad, and other than that you have a written work on your kin workbook. This is page number 17, 18 and page number 19. There are 3 pages that you have to do of your kin workbook. Now let me explain it to you that what you have to do. Now the letter, this time you are going to study that is letter B. B sounds B. B bird, B bat, B basket, B boat, B bus, B bell. Now you have to trace on this and this B, and you have to write B, B, B on these 3 blanks. Now they have written B in the center and they have given you few pictures and they asked you the letter B. Which picture starts with the letter B? You have to color in that and you have to put arrow over there. Like B ball, B banana, B bubble, B box. This is foot and the gun is different from B. So this is the activity on page number 17. Let's jump to the page number 18. Now this is the letter H. H hat, helmet. This is H for hedgehog and this is H for helicopter. Sorry, you have to write or trace these dots H, plus you have to write H over these 3 blanks. Now again the same thing that they have given you each in the center, plus they have given you 4 pictures. You have to color the picture which goes with the correct letter, and plus you have to give the arrow. You have to join the right picture with letter H, like hand, house, helmet, heart. The guitar and the ring is totally different. Now let's jump to the page number 19. Now this is page number 19. They have given you the letter I, H, M, B, F, D and G. And they have given you 5 pictures and they ask you to write the correct starting letter under each picture. H helicopter, B basket, D the dog, F for feather, L a leaf, M a mop, G a gate, H a helmet, M a monkey and D the duck. Now the next activity is on the last line. They have given you 1, 2, 3 pictures, lamp, book, gun, and they have given you 3 letters with each picture, and you have to circle the correct letter like L lamp, B book, G gun. So this is your work for today. You have to write these 3 pages of your kin workbook, plus you have to read the story Ben and Lad. Thank you.